I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. Today I got a great message from House of the God. We all spiritual peoples always invited by God at the house of God, and God every day teaches us great lessons and gives some messages for benefit of all living beings in the world. So today this is the fresh message from God at the house of the God, and I am just conveying this message for benefit of all living beings in the world. Which systems of ruling of people in this beautiful world? We can see the answers came from the house of the God through myself, appointed by God as Mother of the World, are here mentioned for benefits of entire all living beings in these 7 beautiful worlds. Before many years, some strong people were ruling on their groups of people, were living in jungle areas, but not successes for long times, because those were not formed on the basis of God's law. They are not ruling as per rules and regulations by God, so that such rulers never success and not run their ruling system for long times in jungles area. After then, some civilization started to developing them. Then some strong bodybuilders have formed their kingdoms for ruling on people, but majorities kings have exploited their people, misused people for their personal enjoyment only. Their all kingdoms were not working on basis of God's laws. Some kings are ruling today in some countries by as loving kings for their people living in their kingdom, but such kingdoms are not also ruling on basis of God's laws, so that all where such kingdoms have to disappear from these beautiful worlds. After then, some communist thinkers have established their ruling systems on some countries for giving justices to poor, needy, and exploited people. But such rulers have started suppressing and exploit of their country's people for their ruling ambitions forever, and trying to extend their country's boundaries by follow illegal ways. So such communist rulers are also not working on basis of God's laws. So one day Such communist rulers have to go on from this beautiful world. They never rules forever because their ambitions, their intentions are not justifiable and not they are ruling on the as per rules and regulations of gods. So one day they have to disappears from this beautiful world. Fourth and excellent noble ruling systems are on basis of God's laws is democratic systems. So systems of ruling on people. God is free from their all creations, but serving and providing God's all kinds of services freely and without any charges. But God expect from His beautiful creations not harm nobody and not exploit anybody, but to love everybody, to care everybody, to regards everybody, and to accept everybody, to all mankind's and all living beings in seven beautiful worlds. So these democratic systems for ruling on people are best and basis of God's laws, and hence by these systems all living beings can get full development by spiritually and materialistic. People can develop up to sky in the limit without any hurdles, barriers, exploitations, discriminations. Through these democratic systems, all living beings can follow the rules and regulations as per God's will. So, in these democratic systems, people can meet with God and get all powers from God. So, these systems only prove to make people equal to God. So, we recommend for benefits of all living beings in the world for implements such democratic systems in all parts, in all countries in the beautiful worlds, so that all living beings can achieve their goals as creator of all creations. Also, that goals, that is, God wants for that too. God bless on all us. You may contact and send me your best experience from your all noble works, ideas, techniques, systems, thoughts, and all such on my WhatsApp number as per India code +91 9898375375. Just repeating, as per India code +91 9898375375. God bless everybody.